remember? Prepare to die!
You mean you believe what I said about the panacea bottle?
Are you lying? Well then, we'll have to go with what you've told.
Yuri! Alright, I'll help you out just this one.
It's settled then.
You're coming too, Estelle?
Well, of course I am.
What about waiting for Flynn?
Wasn't it you who said if you're going to heal something, it should be the tree?
We'll just have to fix the tree before he gets back. Can't wait to see the look on his face.
Estelle, what are you looking at?
It's a map of the area around here.
Oh, let me see. Hey, this is almost completely blank. You can't call this a map.
Really?
You should try a surveyor's guild like the World Cellar. Their maps are really amazing. All the top guild members have one.
So then naturally you've got a copy, right, Carol? Let's see it.
Well, you see, once you get as good as I am, you don't need to use a map anymore.
Oh, that's too bad. I really wanted to see it.
Repeat, that was wonderful. You could act a little more grateful, you know. Hey, I've been wondering, how come you guys, and Repeat too, I guess, all have Blastia? Aren't Bodhi Blastia pretty rare? I didn't think many...
You have one too, though.
I belong to a guild. Sometimes we get a chance to get one, and Ruins Gate keeps finding more. That's a guild that excavates Blastia.
There are even guilds that dig up Blastia from ruins?
If there weren't, then the Empire would control all the Blastia.
The Empire regulates the ancient Blastia art. I think that makes sense. If Blastia weren't regulated, anyone could use dangerous magic.
But they've gone way overboard.
I don't know about...
So anyway, what's your story? How'd you get yours?
I used to be in the Imperial Knights. This was a... Repeat got his as a keepsake of his old...
A going away present? Sounds more like you stole it to me. So what about you, Estelle?
I got mine from,
Look at her, she's a noble.
I knew you were a noble. Well, at least one of you has some class.
Yeah. Let's go get that Nia fruit.
I won't lose! Together.
We make such a great pair, Carol. Let's keep it up.
Yeah, don't mind me. Let's get this over with.
Holy power, come to me. First aid. Holy power, come to me.
Counter strike! Out of my way!
That was awesome!
We'll crush them all. I gotta try and keep up.
Out of my way!
This? No, this isn't scary.
Your legs are shaking.
You're kidding? Next up is the egg.
Are we gonna walk around the wood?
No, we'll never find one that way.
Yeah? What'll we do then?
Hand me a Nia fruit, would you? I'm The egg bear has very unusual tastes, you see.
Jeez, you smell horrible.
Me?
Please tell us when you're gonna do something. Oh no! Repeat!
Everyone, keep a lookout! An egg bear, and they're famous for their...
So then, Captain Carroll, I'm assuming that you're going to lead the charge against this terribly ferocious...
Of course!
I'll help too. Oh,
Well then, how about we have a bit of a walk around the forest?
Guess we can do this. It'll be 100 years before you can be...
Be on your guard, everyone! It's really ferocious.
Hey, fearless leader. You're not supposed to hide right after saying things like that.
The star always performs the finishing blow. Everybody knows that.
no, I don't think so.
Ah!
That's an egg bear?
Well, I have to hand it to you, Captain Carroll. Operation Stink Bomb was a smashing success. Stand up straight when you say... Let's get this over with.
First Holy power, come to me! Holy power, come to me! Holy power, come to me! First aid! 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 Holy power, come to me! First Repeat, you okay? Are you okay?
See? You see what I did? That was nothing.
Repeat helped too.
Thanks.
Oh, I feel so powerful.
I just keep getting stronger.
Carol, come get the claw. I don't know.
What? Anybody can do that.
Here, let me help too.
Estelle, why don't you guard the perimeter?
Right.
You sure it's totally dead, right?
Wow, Captain. If I didn't know you were just goofing around, I'd swear you were really scared. How's the nose, Repeat?
Now all we need is the Halure pedal, right?
Let's go pay the mayor another visit.
I know you're here in these woods!
You've got to be kidding me. Lou Blanc followed me all the way outside the berry?
What? Who followed you?
Just some guys from the Imperial Knights.
Yeah, right. Wait, seriously?
I say, come out now, will you?
Show yourself now and we'll spare you a pummeling. Shaking in your boots at mere rumors. And you call yourselves Knights of the Schwann Brigade!
So, what are they after you for? Vandalism? Fraud?
It's really just for jailbreak. Anyway, let's bolt. There we go.
We can't do that.
Who's gonna be passing through?
Whoa, wait up!
It'll be 100 years before you can beat me.
Because you've lived a long... Sir, you wouldn't happen to have any Halure petals, would you?
Who'd you hear that from? I mean, I do, but... Ah, so that's why you need a petal. The Halure is one of the 3 flowers that blooms on Halure's tree. The petals are dried for half a year. This is my last petal. But if it'll restore the tree to its old self, then I don't mind giving it to you.
Thank you.
All right, now we can...
Let's go to the general store.
You're back. Have you got
We've got everything.
egg bear claw, nia fruit, and Halure petal? All right.
Yes, please.
There you go.
Now we'll be able to cleanse the poison.
Whoa, settle down. You'll drop the...
Oh, I see.
Oh, have you made the antidote to cleanse the tree of poison?
Carol, it's up to you. I'm no good at this sort of thing.
Who, me?
Didn't Carol say there was someone he wanted to show the block?
I think so. Here's hoping we aren't too late.
The tree is...
Please, great tree of Halure, please.
No way! Was the dosage too small?
We'll have to get another panacea bottle.
Oh, I'm afraid that's impossible. That was the last of the Laluria petals.
But we tried so hard. Please, great tree.
Estelle.
Amazing!
Can this be? Is she using healing arts? It's like a dream. There's no way. And yet...
Yay, yay! You're the greatest! Thanks for making the tree of Halure healthy again!
We owe you our gratitude. Thanks to this, our city can live once more.
What did I just...
That was incredible, Estelle. Can you get...
Yuri!
Flynn's gonna be so surprised to see the flowers blooming. That'll show him.
You and Flynn seem to have such a strange relationship. You are friends, aren't you?
He's just someone I grew up with, that's all.
Aren't those the people from the castle?
We can't let these people get caught up in this. Let's lay low for a while.
Huh? What did I miss? Where are you guys going?
Man, those guys are a pain in the neck.
Wish we could wait here for Flynn to come back.
Who's this Flynn person?
He's an Imperial Knight that is
What?
I don't have a crush on him.
You don't?
No, it's...
Well, anyway, we best be getting away from the town.
Yes, you're right.
Do you know where this Flynn guy went off to?
Didn't they say he'd gone off to the eat?
Yes, they did.
I'd like to get to Ospio somehow. Anyway, let's get out of here before the goon squad shows up.
Please wait. You deserve a reward for restoring our tree. Please stop by at my house.
Oh, please don't mind.
I will be waiting at my house.
Wait.
A reward? What do you say?
Well, I guess we can't ignore his offer and leave.
I wasn't really sure what I did back there.
Let's just stop at the mayor's house. We can still...
Do you mind if I scratch behind your ears? Oh, I'm sorry. I guess it's still too soon for me to pet you. Let's start over by getting to know each other a little better. So then, my name is Estelise. You knew that already, right? Huh? Repeat?
Introducing yourself to an invisible friend?
Oh, I won't give up.
Welcome.
Thank you, but unfortunately we need to be leaving very soon.
Are you leaving before that young knight is back?
The situation's
Did something come up?
You could say that.
If there's anything I can do to help, don't hesitate to ask.
We appreciate the sentiment.
I see. Then it's not much, but I'd at least like you to take this.
Who, me?
But since your friend helped us out so much...
Well then, I'd be happy to...
No, we can't take that.
Yeah.
But then how will I ever repay you?
Well, how about this? The next time we come into town, set us up with VIP blossom viewing pick.
That's a great idea.
All right then. The next time you're here, I'll put my heart...
Oh, can I ask you one thing? Have you ever heard of a town called Ospio?
Ospio? Ah, yes, I believe that was the name of the City of Shade.
The City of Shade?
From what I've heard, the town lies between tall mountains, and sunlight rarely reaches its gates. Every now and then, a few quiet folks in cloaks and hoods come to our town to get supplies, but they're quite creepy, to be honest. Our town doesn't deal with them much.
Where is the town located?
Towards the east, I think. I wish I could tell you the exact location.
Flynn was headed east as well, wasn't he?
Yeah, I suppose a City of Scholars might have some link to Blastia after all. Thanks. That's all I... I'm coming for you, Morty.
This may be a selfish thing to say. I'm happy this means we're continuing. I haven't known this sort of freedom until now.
So, Carol, what are your plans?
I want to go to the port city and cross over to Tolbikia from there.
So I guess it's goodbye then.
Huh?
Thanks, Carol.
Please take care of yourself.
On second thought, maybe I'll stick with you guys a little while longer.
Why?
You guys would be lost and lonely without me around.
Well, you have come in surprisingly handy, Captain.
Well then, let's all go together.
So, east?
Yeah, Flynn went east.
Okay.
I'd like to get to Ospio somehow. Anyway, let's get out of here before the goon squad shows up.
Let's work together. Holy power, come to me! First aid!
Alright, who's next?
This? No, this isn't scary.
Your legs are